The ongoing conflict in Ukraine is driving rapid innovation in aerial defense, as the country faces a surge in Russian drone strikes. At Lviv's Iron Demo 2025 exhibition, Ukrainian defense firm Besomar introduced the Besomar 3210, an interceptor drone notable for its unique design and reusable combat role. Unlike disposable kamikaze drones, this model is designed to return for repeated use and features a 12-gauge shotgun in its nose, linked to an automated targeting system. The Besomar 3210 is launched via a ground-based catapult and can operate for approximately an hour. It cruises at 150 km per hour for short periods and can reach speeds of 200 km per hour to engage fast aerial threats. The drone is specifically intended to counter Russian attack drones, including the Geran and Geran, the latter derived from Iran's Shahid 136. Equipped with a thermal imaging camera, it can detect and target drones both day and night. Its forward-facing sensor activates the shotgun automatically when a threat enters its kill zone, allowing for rapid engagement even when human reaction times would be insufficient. Currently carrying 2 cartridges, the system can be upgraded to hold 4. The recoil-free mechanism ensures stability, while each cartridge disperses multiple projectiles to improve hit probability within roughly 20 meters. Despite its effectiveness, the challenge lies in closing distance and positioning for accurate shots against agile drones. Technologically, the Besomar 3210 uses a frequency-hopping spread spectrum (FHSS) communication system, making it resistant to Russian detection and electronic interference. This is a crucial advantage, as some Geran 2 drones have been enhanced with video guidance, electronic warfare defenses, and evasive maneuvers. Russia is reportedly preparing to produce up to 40,000 Geran 2 drones in 2025, leveraging an industrial base augmented with Chinese components. In response, Ukraine is rapidly expanding its own drone defenses. President Volodymyr Zelensky has set ambitious production targets, aiming for up to 1,000 interceptors per day compared to Russia's roughly 170 Geran 2 units daily. Multiple Ukrainian companies are experimenting with designs ranging from quadcopters fitted with multi-barrel shotguns to jet-propelled drones with single-shot systems. The Besomar 3210 exemplifies a practical, cost-efficient approach, prioritizing reusability and automated engagement over expensive missile-based solutions. Defense analysts have highlighted that systems like the Besomar 3210 may signal a shift toward drone-versus-drone combat on the battlefield. By combining moderate endurance, automated targeting, and reusable design, it represents Ukraine's adaptive response to a drone-saturated airspace. The Besomar 3210's debut underscores Kyiv's commitment to a multi-layered strategy that blends electronic warfare, conventional defenses, and innovative aerial solutions. While it is not a complete answer to Russian drone assaults, its capabilities align with the operational reality of modern air combat, where unmanned systems are increasingly central to controlling the skies.